Growing up, I never noticed the flaws that I had until other people started mentioning it. And I believe as a child, I shouldn't have heard it as much as I did. However, people still said it, which was, Tidi, your curves are big. They look like your grandma's or your mother's. And anytime I attended family functions, the two things that people would say to me before they greeted was, oh, your complexion is so dark and your curves are so big, which for me was quite astonishing and a mind fuck as a child, because that's strange to hear. However, this has affected me till this day. As a grown adult, when I go shopping, the first thing I think about before I pick an item is, how will it look on my curves? How will these jeans or skirts or shorts, or how will I look in a bikini? Are my curves too much? I don't know. But I think the answer is yes to most people. This has affected me immensely, and I am trying to come to terms with it. I am trying to be comfortable in this one and only body that I have, and I can't change much. However, should somebody ever ask me what surgery would I do on my body, I would say I would like to reduce my curves, just so that I can withdraw attention from me. I think my curves allowed for people to say things that they shouldn't have to me, but they did. And I wish I was taught how to set boundaries as a child, because then I would have said, I'd appreciate it if you didn't say things like that about my body. I would say, I feel uncomfortable when you say things like that about my body. But I wasn't. Therefore, I tried to shrink myself, to minimize myself, and try not to draw attention to my body, how I looked. And it's a shame. It's a shame, because I believe that my body is perfect. There's a piece of me that's very comfortable with my body. I love chilling in my birthday suit at any given time of the day. But I don't like it when people say stuff like that about my body. And I think going forward, should anybody ever try me, that's what I'm going to say. I'm going to tell them that I'd appreciate it if you didn't say things like that about my body. Thank you. I am trying to build a positive body image and self-esteem with myself, with this one body that God created, and He took time. And I understand, Christians always say that your body is the temple of the Lord. And I'm certain that when God created me in His image, He saw me as perfect. Therefore, I should be able to understand that other people's opinions shouldn't affect me the way that they have, but they have, unfortunately. So I'm trying to rewire my brain. I am trying to find my own fashion style that doesn't hide my curves at all, but rather embrace them. I am enjoying this journey that I'm on currently, with my body, with myself, with my mind, and I'm back to doing yoga again in shorts and a crop top, whatever you want to call it, because I need to learn how to be comfortable, and I need to learn how to expose myself and put myself in environments that will challenge me to set boundaries and to be confident in all of me. So I want to say thank you to everybody that's been watching. I really, really appreciate it. And don't forget, wherever you go, there you are.